Mayan's black soap. I am an African lady. I'm here with the black soap for all purpose. It's there for all skin type. So get this black soap and then get rid of your pimples, skin rashes, skin reaction, eczema. This black soap is for all skin type. I don't want to explain much in this particular soap. It's not that ordinary soap or ordinary black soap you are using out there. This particular one is for all skin type. Either you're chocolate, caramel, you are white in complexion, or you are dark in complexion. Even your baby can use it. No harm. It doesn't damage any skin. Else, it will help you not to have pimples, skin rashes. So why not to be part of the testimonies? Get your black soap, and it's very affordable. Oh my God, I love this black soap. And it's gonna make you look good and glow. Mayan's organic scrub. I have a lot of scrub, but this particular one is Mayan organic scrub. Everything here is bio. Oh, I love this scrub so much. Do you know why I love it? It exfoliates my skin, clear up all dead skin. After using this scrub, wow, I'm looking so beautiful and stunning. So enhance your beauty by using this organic scrub. So there is nothing that can give you after effect. Use the scrub and exfoliate your skin, and you will love your skin because you're gonna look outstanding out there. Mayan Skincare Knuckle Eliminator. Got your back. How many ladies are out there they can't do like this because of dark knuckles? How many ladies are out there they can't cook and give food to their husband without wearing gloves to present the food because of dark knuckles? Do you want to be one? No. You are a victim, so contact me and then get rid of your dark knuckles, because this knuckle eliminator, it will get rid of your knuckles with no after effect. There is nothing like that, because everything here is bio. I made it by myself and I know what I'm really telling you. So guys, try to present your fingers wherever you are. Your self-esteem is very low and I want it to be. Your insecurity is your knuckles. It's over today. Say bye-bye to dark knuckles. Mayan Skincare Face Glow is a multi-purpose face cream. It helps you to get rid of pimples. It also helps you to eliminate sunburn. Who out there loves sunburn on their face? No one. So if you want to look like Maram right here, smooth, soft, and then glowing, go for Mayan's face cream. Mayan Skincare Face Serum. Oh my God, I love this so much. I apply it morning and night. So before you go to bed, you have to apply this serum. It is for you to look glow and then look stunning, and you will be outstanding over there. So these two, you see the difference? This one is for the fair person and this one is for the dark person, or chocolate, whatever you can call it out there. So it's for all skin type. So go for it. Do you really want to achieve my type of skin? Oh yes, that's the answer. Why don't you go for Mayan's Caramel Glow? This body lotion you are seeing out here is for those people who really want to get that chocolate, beautiful and glowing skin. It's going to help you to have that skin without bleaching. It's going to help you to get that skin tone without lightening up, because this is hydroquinone free. But I have really activated this lotion for you to look so beautiful and outstanding out there, and your self-esteem will be 100%. So don't feel shy to tell me that, Maram, I want to get your skin type. Okay, here you go. Do you really want to look like that beautiful lady? Or do you really want to achieve my skin type? If you do, why not you try my Mayan's Caramel lotion? Because you will not regret it. You will get your skin type you want or you desire all over these years. Stop using that cream and then get Mayan's Caramel body lotion. Where are those Mayans ladies who want to have half cast or Metis skin type? I know many of you want to have half cast skin type, and that's why I took my time to formulate and also activate this particular lotion for you all out there, so that you will look so beautiful and then glowing. In all what I do, I normally make the lotion makes you look glow and also makes you look outstanding wherever you stand. And when you get this lotion, you're gonna come back and thank me later. So get this if you want to be half caste. I can't go without saying much about this shower gel. It's my own shower gel, made by me and activated by myself. This shower gel is gonna make your body moist. It's also gonna make it glow. It's going to help you to exfoliate your dead, dry skin and grow up the surface with a very beautiful skin. Because this is hydroquinone free. There is nothing added here that is related to hydroquinone. So go for this Mayan shower gel, because you want your man to give you 1 million out there. Your skin have to be looking so beautiful, and without this you can't get that. So go for it. Mayan skincare body glow papaya soap, made by myself. This papaya soap is going to lighten up your face. It's mainly for your face. Don't look at the size, small but mighty. Don't look at the size here again, small but mighty. Okay ladies, I'm back here like I never left. You all know the purpose of rose water. If you are a beautiful lady and you love good things, so in your bathroom or in your room, I know I can find rose water. If you don't get this rose water, you can go and get it. And this particular one is scrub. This scrub, it has some seeds. You're going to add this to it and then scrub your face or your body. With that, it will exfoliate your skin and bring out new skin. So go for it. These are my Mayan skincare oil. This particular one is called pressed carrot oil. I made it by myself. It is fermented for 1 month before you start using it. It brightens up your skin, and it also makes your skin look glow and moist. And this particular one, you have the organic Moroccan oil. It's also for all skin type, and it's also going to make your body soft, smooth, and then moist. And it also going to make you glow. You can use it at any time during the Harmattan season or the dry season, in any given moment, as long as you grab this Mayan's organic Moroccan oil and this particular one, the cold pressed carrot oil.